Beautiful. Man, it got quiet here in a hurry, didn't it? We're cooking, we're barbecuing. You can talk, you can have a good time. Making some power play crab cakes. A little red pepper, nicely diced up there. Start this off right. How about some diced up onion? Yeah. How about some dill? Crack an egg in here for a little binding. Start a little mayo. Couple hits of that. A little Worcestershire. A little smokiness. Some serious flavor. A couple hits of Dijon. And some Cajun. Store-bought Cajun spice. Hit of flavor here. Big time flavor. I'm from Louisiana. I can relate to that. And now some panko. Beautiful, sweet Japanese breadcrumbs here. Delicious. If you don't have these, don't worry about it. Don't fret. You can use just some breadcrumbs from the house. And now, the crab meat. Just pick through it, make sure that there's no crab shells in there. Add that in. Looks good, doesn't it? People are just gonna devour these. Time to make a few crab cakes. Maddie size.
Lucky size.
We're gonna have one big fat crab cake. We got 6 power play crab cakes right here. Not done yet. Take some more of this panko. Take some melted butter. Just pour it right in here. Kind of give us some consistency there. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these pucks and we are gonna just lightly coat them with this panko on both sides. And it's gonna crisp up on the grill for us. Be nice and delicious on the inside. Does that look good? Man, those are like burgers. We got crab cake burgers. That's awesome. Those are gonna be so good. That is one series power play crab cake. We're gonna head over to the grill here and make this happen. What do you say we go over there together? Come on, y'all. What you gotta do, you gotta oil your grill, because you don't want your power play crab cakes to be sticking. We're looking for medium-high heat here, okay? That's 5 steamboats. Y'all all count with me? Please count with me. 1 steamboat, 2 steamboats, 3 steamboats, 4 steamboats, 5 steamboats. That's perfect for our power play crab cakes. We make the food, and the barbecue does the rest. 5 to 6 minutes, nice and crispy, golden brown on the outside, nice char marks. We'll flip them, and we'll be good to go. Look good, huh? Let's take a peek if they're ready to flip. Oh, yeah, beautiful. Y'all ready to eat? The countdown has begun. We got a little peach salsa here.
Yeah.
Y'all about ready to eat these with us?
Yeah.
Here's the deal. We make the food, you eat the food. Does that sound pretty good?
Yeah.